As the program is very interesting to everybody, several members have called. The video has gone so viral, so many people have subscribed and so many people have contacted us. They wanted to join. In order to enlighten such members, this particular video is brought out today. Namaste. I think all of you are happy pursuing the Kriya Kundalini Awakening program step 1 and step 2. This particular video is being uploaded for the new coming members. Let us see what is there for the new coming members. Also there are some hints for the step 1 and step 2 practitioners also. I hope many of you are waiting for the step 3 of Kriya Kundalini Awakening. Some people have missed the step 1 and have joined the step 2 as well as they are pursuing the step 1 also. The step 3 will be coming on 22nd of August 2020 on Saturday. That is on the coming Saturday. Still many of the members are calling us asking for the link. Some people have not even joined the first step, but they have come to know from hearsay, but they could not see the video. As a result, they have asked us for the link. If someone asks a link from the YouTube, it will be difficult for us to send the link through YouTube. There is no condition attached to beginning step 1, continuing with step 2, or further taking up step 3, which will go on and on for some time to come. Now, this particular video titled Kriya Kundalini Awakening Now and Next will be updated version where we are going to give a link to all those videos already uploaded. The first video was uploaded on 6th of July 2020. The title was The Awakening Part 1. The second video was uploaded on 10th July 2020. The title is Secrets of the Awakening. Immediately after the first step was over, some members asked clarification. As a result, we had put on the same day, that is on 10th July 2020, we have uploaded one short video, the title of which is KKA What Next. All these 3 videos cover the introduction, the basics, who are all can join, how they can practice, and the experiential program where they wanted to involve in step 1. I think this is very clear. Now the 4th video was uploaded on 1st August 2020. The title of this video is Kriya Kundalini Awakening Step 2. The step 1 and step 2 is elaborately covered in these 4 videos, and so if you are not able to go and search the previous videos, if you see this video, that is more than sufficient. Below the viewing panel of this video, we are also showing and we are also giving you 4 links which will open all those 4 videos which we have uploaded. Not only this, in this video, we are also practically showing you while viewing the video how to open the link of all the 4 videos. Just to see this. Now all of you know how to open the video from the YouTube through a link. Now those who have not joined, who has not yet started, do not worry. As of today, you take step 1 only and continue to complete the step 1. And those who are seeing the video now can start step 1 and complete step 1. By the time when we are in 22nd August 2020, where we will be going to step 3, those who are joining on today or tomorrow will be completing 4 or 5 days. Let that continue, because this is a short experiential program we are giving you. 3 minutes only you are supposed to do, or 5 minutes it will take, or maximum 10 minutes it will take. So simultaneously take up step 1, continue day 1. Simultaneously, when you come on 22nd August 2020, you can join that program irrespective of the what we have completed, what is pending or what is outstanding. Do not worry, because each of the steps what we are giving, each are independent of what has been already completed. So one has no link to the effect that by not seeing the previous video, you will lose the importance of this video. There is no such condition. As a result of that, you can join the step 3 on 22nd August 2020, coming Saturday. With this, the step 1, step 2, step 3, all of us will join. Step 2 of the Kriya Kundalini Awakening video was uploaded on 1st August 2020. As the program is very interesting to everybody, several members have called. The video has gone so viral, so many people have subscribed and so many people have contacted us. They wanted to join. In order to enlighten such members, this particular video is brought out today. I think I am very clear about it. Now for all those who are already pursuing step 1 and step 2, they will be awaiting step 3 on 22nd August 2020 Saturday. So I will give a small hint for them. On the 22nd Saturday, before joining the program, please purchase one thin white towel. The size of the towel can be 2 feet to 3 feet or 1.5 feet to 3 feet. A thin towel will do, so that when you sit, you can keep it on your lap. This may be needed for the step 3 and after step 3. Preferably buy 2 towels. One you can wash and keep it, one you can use it daily. As and when you feel that you wanted to wash it, you can send it for washing. Also, for all those members who are pursuing step 1 and step 2, I would advise the notebook what you have purchased. If it is an exclusive notebook, no issues. If you are writing it on a old notebook, preferably buy a 100-page notebook. That will help you. In that book, as we have advised, in the first page or the second page starting, you will write all the 21 days of step 1 practice, and the next page you will write all the 21 days of step 2. Likewise, step 3, step 4 will continue. You leave about 25 pages. After 25 pages, you take the 26th page. There you write down your experience. I have already given you. Just all the days you need not write the experience. Some days some experience, just a bullet mark is sufficient. You need not explain to yourself. You need not write a big paragraph. Just in small. Some smell was coming. Some fragrance was there. Something was moving. I could see something is blossoming. I saw some petals of flowers were flying in front of me. I was floating. There is a slight vibration in my body. There was slight vibration in my Muladhara chakra. There was some kind of someone touching me. I had a feeling that someone is whispering in my ears. Like that feelings, whatever you get, each person will get different feelings. Your experience, just write down there. Leave about 10 pages for this one. After leaving 10 pages for your experience, then you go to the next page, 11th or 12th page. There you write step 1. In that step 1, write the process how you are doing the pranayama. For example, if it is a first step, you write whatever the steps we are given. You write the steps what you are following. Sit comfortably, erect your spine, close your eyes, take Nashika Mudra on the right hand, take Chin Mudra on the left hand, and through the Nashika Mudra, close the right nostril and inhale, open the left nostril, completely exhale and inhale, then close the left nostril, come to right nostril. Like this you will have to explain. Whatever method you want, you write down and leave it. Similarly, step 2 also you write in the same manner, so that you will know what is step 1, how to do. Step 2, what are the changes. Step 3, what is going to be there. Step 4, what is likely. For each of the step, 1 page is sufficient, I think, or else you can take 2 pages. With this, all of us will pursue Mahavatar Babaji's Agastya Siddha's Kriya Kundalini Awakening program. Namaste. All the very best to you. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha.